storage facility. We prioritize the integrity of the cold chain, ensuring every product remains perfectly
In this
frozen.
massive freezer, maintaining a consistent temperature is paramount. We continuously monitor the cold chain.
Here. Our inspectors meticulously check for color and texture, ensuring optimal freshness before color is the first step. Every piece then undergoes a detailed laser analysis to guarantee the highest quality
automated
product.
processing line. Our synchronized feeding system ensures precise placement of all raw materials.
Our automated feeding system ensures precise placement of all raw materials onto the high-speed
This
conveyor
powerful
belt.
rotation guarantees unparalleled consistency. Every particle of spice
High-speed
is
blending
evenly-
process creates this velvety smooth texture, ensuring consistent flavor in every
Our
bite.
recipe control system ensures every batch of chicken paste meets the highest quality standards.
Our automated system ensures precise recipe control. We inject a bespoke blend of
Chicken is
spices and
processed through the
seasonings.
perforated plates. It achieves the smooth, homogeneous consistency vital for the next stage. Grinder processes the chicken into this smooth, consistent pink texture, ensuring uniformity throughout the batch. Utilizes high-speed, counter-rotating drums to achieve a perfectly smooth, silky texture. The mixture is precisely molded by the automated press, rapidly forming perfect shapes
See the
like these
nuggets
bells.
passing through the batter curtain, ensuring a thick, even coat every time.
Continuous flow system ensures every nugget is perfectly enveloped in our signature batter, captured here in exquisite
our
slow
state-of-the-art rotary system.
We guarantee a consistent, delicious crunch every time.
Drum ensures an even application of our signature golden breadcrumbs, guaranteeing perfect coverage every time. As the nuggets enter the fryer, the intense heat immediately locks in the flavor and texture before the
golden
main cook.
perfection of our nuggets, fresh from the fryer. The excess oil slowly drips away, ensuring maximum crispness.
State-of-the-art
in every
detection
bite.
system ensured maximum safety. The blinking light indicates a potential foreign object has been
Scanning the
detected
product
in this
line
batch.
for foreign materials. Please note the automatic halt in response to detected impurities.
The alignment process ensures every nugget is perfectly positioned for optimal freezing.
The alignment process ensures perfect synchronization. The subtle guides maintain precise spacing for optimal use. Uses high-velocity air and liquid nitrogen to rapidly bring the temperature down, ensuring our individual quick freezing technology. By instantly flash freezing the nuggets, we lock in the flavor. The nuggets immediately enter our high-speed cooling tunnel, rapidly bringing them to a safe temperature while locking in that crispy
every
texture.
last crumb is removed, vibrating gently to maintain the highest standards of cleanliness
As you
in
can
the
see,
facility.
the date code EXP 2025/12 and the batch number are applied seamlessly
The
at high speed.
continuous inkjet process ensures precise application of date and batch codes on every pack.
With seamless precision, we manage the cold chain logistics that deliver millions of meals to markets worldwide.
Millions of products are distributed globally every day, ensuring our customers receive the freshest